G'day, I'm Ross from Plusrite Australia, and today I'll be talking about our commercial and industrial range of high-powered solar LED floodlights. Available in 50, 100, 150, 200 or 300 watt. These floodlights are suitable for entertaining, working outdoors, security and convenience. The units are IP65 for outdoor environment conditions and are powered with a lithium battery and include a solar panel. As main power is not required, the installation and mounting options are numerous. Units include various modes, programmable from a remote control. Modes include dusk till dawn sensor light at night, solar light day or night, motion sensor on 50, 100 and 150 watt in the grey version, off on button on remote, plus the ability to turn light on for 4 to 6 hours, then light turns off automatically. I will turn the lights on now and demonstrate. The black version, you can turn it on during the day or night, it doesn't matter. It's got an override for the dusk till dawn. But the grey one, you can only turn it on at night, as it will turn off. It's got a dusk till dawn sensor. As you can see, this is the 200 watt version, very bright, can light up the backyard or trees or whatever you want to use it on. Absolutely great product. Our solar LED floodlights come with a 3-year warranty. For more information, please contact Plusrite Australia today.